Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Look at my hair. Oh my god. I look like a secondary school student with my... Alright, now I have to put on my hair. Yep, my hair. Alright, you guys know I'm actually looking at the mirror from here. Okay, so first, okay, let me keep this cover. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is to wear the cap. Alright, after I've worn the cap, then I can put on my wig. Alright, I was actually exporting a video, so it has finished exporting. Now I'll have to be uploading it. Okay, give me some while. Let me look at the mirror just to be sure if it's at the center, right? Or maybe I should just do it this way. How about this? How is it like? Is it beautiful this way? Oh, I don't know, but I kind of feel that this is just like another style, another beautiful style, where this side will be longer and this side will be shorter. And this is just gonna be covering my face. I don't like, something to cover my face. Alright, today is a no makeup day. I don't want to put anything on. Let me take it back. I don't want to put anything on my pretty face. I just want to be without makeup. Okay. Alright guys, put on my wig. I'm actually expecting my friend. She's a friend, a very good friend, an advisor, and she's also a YouTuber. Trust me, if you're into a particular business, you have some good friends, right? So I have a couple of them. Some of them actually know me and know where I stay and where I live. Okay, so kind of like, I love it when they come to visit me. I love the length of this stuff. I think, let me actually see. Oops. Let me use my camera, my phone to vlog and see and just compare this view, right? I just want to compare this one with this one. I don't know which one is better. Okay, hold on. I'll have to turn it for you guys to see. You're going to see how. Okay, I'll have to turn it over. Alright, hold on. I just want to know which is gonna be brighter. Like, let me do it like this. Can you see that? Alright, let me start the vlog. Alright, yeah. Can you see that? I mean, the view, and it's kind of really bright, though not as. The only thing is that this one view a longer range than the my camera view a longer range than the phone. You can see that. So I don't know, maybe any day I feel like I can just use this. Anyway, I just wanted to compare and see which one. Okay, the thing is that if I turn this camera to my face, it's kind of the same thing like this one you're seeing here, like this one. Okay, can you see that? Okay, all right guys, so let me go, make some popcorn for my friend because she's coming. All right, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Soap I finish. Some of you guys know that I bought black soap the other time. This is the one I did myself. How I did it, I'm going to be posting the video on my beauty channel. Now what I did is that I bought the Ghana soap, which is not this color, it's usually like brownish. Alright, then I poured hot water, and then I put some hot water, and then I put some hot water in it. Alright, so the next thing, I added carrot juice, the normal carrot juice. I added sulfur. I don't know if you know sulfur. I've actually used it in my beauty channel like so many times. Alright, sulfur helps to heal the skin blemish, like eczema, like pimples. It prevents pimples from coming on the face, and it's also like smoothing the face. And then I added tomato juice, I added honey, and then I added turmeric powder. Alright, then I added a little bit of red oil. Like seriously, to change the color. Alright, actually like did it myself and I put it in. I've actually been using it for some time now. Now the difference with this and the advantage is you get doing the soap yourself is that you can, if you wanted to lighten you can add up the serum, like a whitening serum in it. But if you don't want it to lighten you, you can just put all those natural ingredients, and then you just leave it like that. Okay, you just use it like that. You don't add up whitening serum in it. For this one, I didn't add any serum. I just added up turmeric, honey, sulfur, and carrot juice, like the normal natural carrot juice. And I've been using it to bathe, like it's really good. I use it all over my body and as well as my face. Now for me, I actually don't have a specific cream for my face and another cream for my body. I use what I use on my face and my body. No time, because everything I use is natural. Alright guys, so the thing is that the soap is actually like really foamy, like so much, so just a little will go a long way. Well, you have to also be careful where you get this black soap from, because there are some people who just don't know how to make it. They just make nonsense and sell it outside. And again, the soap, yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, I added lemon to it. I added lemon because I needed to like dry off the oil on my face, because usually my face is usually, my face usually produces more oil than the rest of my body. Alright, so I added one full large lemon. I squeezed all the juice in it and made it it. Using the soap on the face is just one thing you have to be careful, because when it gets to the eye, it cuts like mud. Like mad. Alright guys, so one thing I need to point out is that the one I did actually didn't add up any whitening serum, but if you want it to whiten up your body, you can add up whitening serum in it, and it's going to be very, very like helpful. You can imagine, you know, putting it in the soap and it will lighten up your skin, and then you use another whitening lotion and it's going to be very perfect. Also, not everybody loves to lighten up their skin. I'm actually just saying this for the interest of the people who want it, okay? Because I know talking about lightening cream, some people are just going to, you know, say rubbish. There are still some people who want their skin to be lightened, so leave them alone. That's the kind of people I tell them how to, you know, do it. So that's it guys, I will be leaving the bathroom right now, and we're gonna be talking again soon.